So I finally get to share some good sales on eBay. This last week and a half has just been brutal on eBay. Thankfully, my Mercari and Poshmark performed. So, okay, let me talk about the sales. So, this is a sweater that I bought for $1.25. It's Jason's sweater. I've only had it listed for about a month, and it sold for $20-some. This I got from my friend at Abundant Tags in his lot. I'm so thankful. It sold for $85. It's a Ralph Lauren polo camouflage jacket, and I really didn't have a lot of big items this month to sell, so that kind of saved my week, because as of Friday I had earnings of $50-some on eBay. But let me show you, while the train was stuck on the tracks at eBay, what was happening at Poshmark and Mercari.